Bonjour, this is Julian the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this phrase from French that would translate into somewhat "Long live France." You say this phrase when you want to cheer for France. How do you go about pronouncing it with a typical French pronunciation? Vive la France. Vive la France. But it'd be fine in English if you cannot pronounce the French R to say Vive la France. Vive la France, or in French, Vive la France. Vive la France.